What is the value of amount of energy absorbed from the reservoir at lower temperature? Whereas the efficiency of an engine is given as 1 over 10 and the work done on a system is given as 10 joules. We can solve this question by using a relation between coefficient of performance and efficiency of a refrigerator, which is nothing but beta is equal 1 minus eta divided by eta. Whereas beta is representing the coefficient of performance, whereas eta is representing the efficiency of an engine. And it's known that the amount of energy absorbed can be calculated using a formula, work done times beta. So when we are rearranging an equation, Q will be equal to W times 1 minus eta divided by eta. Whereas eta, the efficiency is given as 1 over 10 and the amount of work done is given as 10 joule. So the Q will be equal to 10 times 1 minus 1 over 10 divided by 1 over 10. When we are simplifying this, we will get the answer of 90 joule. So the amount of energy observed from the reservoir at lower temperature is 90 joule and the correct option here is option A.